Sulfuric acid, also known as hydrogen sulfate, has a chemical formula of H2SO4. The molecular weight of sulfuric acid is 98.07 grams per mole. At room temperature, it is a colorless and transparent liquid. Sulfuric acid reacts violently with water and strong alkaline substances. Moisture and heat should be strongly avoided. Sulfuric acid is not flammable but reacts with most metals to form explosive and flammable hydrogen gas. Can cause severe skin burns and eye damage. Ingestion can also cause burns of the gastrointestinal tract. When inhaled, this substance may cause damage to the mucous membrane in the nose, throat, lungs, and bronchial system. Sulfuric acid should be stored in a closed container. Should also be kept in a cool, dry, and well-ventilated area. Temperature should not be above 23 degrees Celsius. Sulfuric acid should be kept away from incompatible substances. When handling, splash goggles, boots, and gloves should be worn at all times. A full suit should also be worn, and a vapor respirator should be used. The most common first aid method is to flush with alcohol. Large amounts of water can also be used. For disposal, substances should be placed in a sealed container or absorbed in an earth material such as dry sand. The substance can also be diluted or neutralized for disposal. The 4 HMIS ratings include health at 1, flammability 0, physical hazard at 0, and personal protective equipment C. I feel that sulfuric acid should be used in experiments when handled properly. Sulfuric acid should also be used for experiments to benefit the scientific community. If sulfuric acid is placed in the wrong hands or not used properly, it can cause great damage to the environment. Sulfuric acid can be extremely corrosive and is extremely harmful, especially to plants. Sulfuric acid is also an air pollutant that contributes to global warming. This information was received from the MSDS sheet on sulfuric acid from the Fisher Scientific website.